students, welcome back. Today we are going to do request letters. Students, before telling you some of the request letters, I would like to tell you or explain you about request letters, what request letters actually means. So request letters are formal letters. These are written to higher authorities for a request at school level. As you people are in school, so you can write these request letters to your school principal. Now you must understand how to write the request letters or the format of request letters. So first of all, you have to write the receptant name and address, that is the name of the higher authority of the school, means principal. You have to write principal, not his name but only the principal or the post, and then you have to write the address, and that address should be your school address. Then you have to write your date, the date, particular date on which you are writing the letter. Then the salutation here means you have to start the letter by adding the words respected sir. Then you have to write the subject. In subject, it should always students, just remember, try to write your subject always in capital letters so that it will be very clearly visible to the reader. So subject, in subject you will write for what you are writing the particular request letter, and then the content will be there. Content means the body of the letter. Then the subscription will be there: yours obediently, I will be very thankful to you, and after that, yours obediently, yours sincerely. And then you have to write your name of the sender, and details of the sender. Details of the sender will include your class and section. Now we'll take the first letter. So here I have taken the first letter, that is a request letter to your school principal for requesting him to change your section or for changing your section. So here we start with the address of the principal. The principal, Hindu Senior Secondary School, Sonipat, date 9th December 2020. Respected sir. Then subject, request to change section from A to D. You have to mention here in which section you want to go. I am a student. First of all, you have to introduce yourself. So I am a student of class 6th A in your school. Sir, I want to change my section from A to D as my previous classmate is in section D. It will be easy for both of us to do our studies properly if we both will be in one section or in same section. You can write the same section. We can even exchange our copies in case any one of us is absent. So if any one of you will be absent, then another can help if you will be in the same section. So I request you to change my section from section A to D. Thanking you, yours obediently. Here I have written ABC. You can write your own name also. Then you have to write your class and section, and you have to enter your roll number. Students, remember, this is not only the one reason. ये एक रीज़न नहीं है कि आप सिर्फ इसको ही लिखोगे अपने सेक्शन चेंज करवाने के लिए. आप दूसरा एक रीज़न भी लिख सकते हो, that I want to change my SS, or I want to take SS in Hindi medium, and that Hindi medium is available only in section D. So I want to change my section. This also you can write. And one more reason you can write, that if in case you are being disturbed by some of the classmates, कुछ आपके क्लासमेट्स आपको तंग कर रहे हैं उस जिस पर्टिकुलर आप सेक्शन में हो, तो आप सोचोगे कि सर, आप हमसे रिक्वेस्ट करोगे कि सर मेरा सेक्शन चेंज कर दो ताकि मैं पीसफुल तरीके से अपनी स्टडीज़ पर कंसंट्रेट कर सकूं. I hope the thing is clear to you. Now let's see one more letter. Write a request letter to your principal to issue you school leaving certificate. School leaving certificate means आपको स्कूल को छोड़ना है, आप किसी और स्कूल में जा रहे हो, तो आपको उसके लिए स्कूल leaving certificate आपको स्कूल से लेना है. Again, you will start with the address, then you have to write your date, then here you have to write the subject this time you will write request to issue school leaving certificate. स्कूल से जाने के लिए मुझे स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए. रिस्पेक्टेड सर, आई एम अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 6th इन दिस स्कूल. अगेन द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ यू विल बी देयर. सर, my family is shifting to another city. See, here I have given the reason first कि मेरे परिवार जो है दूसरे शहर में जा रहा है and I also have to go with them और मुझे भी उनके साथ जाना है. So I request you to issue me my school leaving certificate. इसलिए मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि मुझे स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट दे दिया जाए. I shall be highly thankful to you. Yours obediently, name, class and section, roll number. सो इन दिस मैनर यू कैन राइट. थोड़ी सी आप इसमें और चेंजेस भी कर सकते हो. लाइक आप अभी मैंने यहाँ पे बोला है पापा आपके शिफ्ट हो गए हैं दूसरे उसमें, आप इसकी जगह ये भी लिख सकते हो माई फादर हैज़ बीन ट्रांसफर्ड टू पर्टिकुलर जगह का नाम लिख सकते हो. लाइक इफ़ ही हैज़ बीन चेंज ट्रांसफर टू पानीपत, पानीपत जा रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे मुझे जाना है उनके साथ में, तो मुझे स्कूल चेंज करना है. या आप सिंपल वैसे कह सकते हो आई वॉन्ट टू चेंज माई स्कूल. कोई भी रीज़न हो सकता है, कोई पर्सनल रीज़न हो सकता है. तो आई वॉन्ट टू चेंज माई स्कूल, सो काइंडली इशू मी माई स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट. इसके बाद आप एक और लाइन इसमें ऐड कर सकते हो, सो दैट आई कैन गेट एडमिशन इन अनदर स्कूल, ताकि मुझे दूसरे स्कूल में एडमिशन मिल सके. और फिर आप सर को उनको थैंक करोगे. आई शैल बी हाईली थैंकफुल टू यू. योर्स ओबीडियंटली, देन यू हैव टू राइट योर नेम. I hope all these letters, the request letters, the format and each and everything is clear to you people.